Do you know many people are having trouble with their Samsung refrigerator's ice maker? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Cool for 24 hours. Allow the refrigerator to cool down for 24 hours to ensure the ice maker works properly. Step 2. Dispense ice cubes. Dispense 4 to 6 ice cubes into a glass. Step 3. Check after 8 hours. After 8 hours, check if you can dispense a full glass of ice. Step 4. Discard residual ice. If there was a power failure, discard any residual ice or water in the ice bucket and press the dispenser lever once. Step 5. Repeat dispense and wait. If you use all the ice at once, repeat steps 2 and 3, waiting 8 hours before dispensing ice again. Step 6. Prevent ice clumping. When selecting Ice Off mode, remove all ice cubes from the bucket to prevent clumping. By following these steps, your Samsung RF28HFEDBSR ice maker should be producing ice again in no time. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.